Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Wells Fargo website not working. So first of all, you need to understand that over time your browser stores temporary files and data from websites to speed up loading times. However, these files can become outdated or corrupted, causing issues with Wells Fargo functionality. So to resolve this issue, you need to declutter your browser by clearing the browser's cache. If you're using Google Chrome, simply click on the three dots in the top right corner and then head over to Clear Browsing Data. A pop-up will come up. From here, select Cached Images and Files, and then choose All Time as the time range. Then click on Clear Data right over here. And if you are using a browser other than Google Chrome, simply navigate to your browser settings, then locate the option to clear browsing data and then proceed accordingly. This should fix the Wells Fargo website not working issue. But if it doesn't, then you need to make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. Simply open a few different websites other than Wells Fargo to see if they load properly. And if the other websites are also not loading properly, then the issue is likely with your internet connection. To resolve this issue, try moving closer to the router or resetting the router by unplugging it for a minute and then plugging it back in. But if it still doesn't work, then contact your internet service provider for help. This should fix the Wells Fargo website not working issue. But if it doesn't, then you need to head over to this webpage on your web browser and check Wells Fargo server status. Sometimes the issue might be on Wells Fargo's end, like server outages or maintenance impacting website functionality. In case you find a temporary outage, wait for some time and try again later. But if you experience no outage here and still encounter this issue, then you need to restart your device to make sure there's nothing wrong on your system's end. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve the underlying technical issues. So what you can do is simply power off your device, wait for a few moments, and then restart it before trying to access Wells Fargo again. This should fix the Wells Fargo website not working issue. But if it doesn't, then you need to contact Wells Fargo customer support officials. Simply head over to the support section within the Wells Fargo website to contact customer support officials. By reaching out to Wells Fargo support, you can get professional help tailored to your specific situation. Well, that's how you fix Wells Fargo website not working. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.